Okay, this video is regarding editing an order from current reservations. It'll show you all of your current reservations. Find the order in question and click Edit. Brings you to this page, has all the original order details at the top. Now you can change the item. We need the database ID and a description. If you don't know the database ID, you can click here and it brings you to your listing page. This user only has one, but if you had four, there'd be a different number here under database ID. Copy that, paste it in here, and then just a simple description. Number in party, you can change that. We'll add 5 here. You can change your dates. Say they're going to the next month, 5/10, and they also want an extra day, 14. That is now 4 nights. When you change these dates, you need to update your calendar manually. So when you're adding dates, you click on this, find the date, April 10 through April 14, and you put the renter last name in. Add to calendar, and it's all good to go there. Alright, so that's what your calendar looks like. Now, when you change the number of days, when you click tab here, all these red 4s are where you're going to need to change your calculations. You can change the price if you want. This is listed at $185, but since they've changed their number of nights, we need to calculate this. 4 times 185 comes to 740. We need to put that new total here. Now for motorhomes, we're charging for miles, anything over 100 miles per night. Let's say they're going to 440 miles now. They're getting 100 miles a night, which means they're getting 400 miles for free. We would be charging them for 40 miles times 33. 40 times 0.33. $13.20 is what we want to charge them here. And if they use more miles than that, you can charge them. If they use less miles, there is no refund. Say it's being delivered, you want to put the number of miles one way, the mileage charge, $2, the one-way charge, which would be 88, and then 2 ways it'd be 172. I think that's right. Trip extras. Say they are going to add a chair and they want 2 of them, $10 per trip. That's $20 total. Per night extras, say they want special chairs, $10 each times 4 is $40. If you had 2 chairs, you could put 2 here and then change the price to 20 and then 80. Alright, cleaning fee, they're not changing that. I don't have a prep fee. Onboard generators collect at the end or rental. You can change that price if for some reason you wanted to. And then we will total up all of your totals. You can also change renter information if you need to. Click Make Changes. And we've got the new detail reservation up here with all of our new totals. For instance, $740 a night. Excuse me. Total is $1025. Tax, security deposit, etc. It brings you back to the same page. If you made a mistake, you can fix it. Otherwise, we go back to current reservations. And when you edit an order, it's not quite as detailed on this description page, but it does have all the same information. And you're good to go. That's all I have for this video. Thank you.